We in Angola, we have a special country because in the north we have tropical forests. The same you find in Uganda and Rwanda with gorillas. We also have gorillas. We have a big 5+ gorillas, so it's a very special country. We have a tropical forest in the north. We have 1,650 kilometers of a virgin coast, beautiful beaches. And in the south, we have the oldest desert in the world, the Namib Desert. And we also belong to the Okavango-Zambezi Transfrontier Conservation Area. What I'm trying to tell is that we have a very diverse products to offer. But the priority, of course, will be the sun and beach to develop. But what is interesting, recently the president has authorized €500 million to infrastructure some areas. One of these areas is Kabuledo. Kabuledo is good for beach, and we have the longest surfway in southern Africa for surf. And in that area, we will be doing sun and beach. But 20 minutes from Kabuledo, you have the Kizomba National Park. So you do safari. From the beach, 20 minutes you are in safari. In half an hour, you are in one of the biggest sanctuary of Africa, which is Mushima. You do religious tourism. So it's a combination.
I think we're all gonna come very serious to get a combination of
You're
sun,
not
beach,
a
and
hidden
business.
gem anymore. You're world Africa. No hidden gem anymore.
Your Excellency, there's so much more to tell.
Thank you very much. We have been hiding. We were sleeping in the oil production. But now we have find this green oil, we call it tourism. That's why we are focused on tourism development. As African, we think that the time for competition among African countries is in the past. We are now working in cooperation. We want to present Africa as a destination, secure, diverse, and authentic. That's why we are working together among African ministries of tourism and doing some things very interesting. I will put some examples to you. We belong to a region that hosts, 70% of elephants population in the world, Okavango-Zambezi Transfrontier Conservation Area. So we create this transfrontier conservation area, CASA project, and what we have done is create a single brand to advertise this area. So the countries like Angola, Namibia, Zimbabwe, Botswana, they have the same brand for the area. We want that the visitors that goes to Zambia can also experience the Angolan side of Okavango Transfrontier Conservation Area. Then go to Namibia, Zimbabwe, and on all this area. And we have put together the Casa Visa, which is a visa. If you go to one country, you don't need to apply to another. So this is a sign of cooperation between African countries in order to develop. We want that tourists that go to one country can experience the other, and these joint tours that we are creating can increase it. In this section, we will be presenting a tour that starts in Etosha in Namibia and goes all the way to Angola until the Calendula Falls. So this is why we present. And then we are definitely here. We was hiding, but Angola is now the rhythm of life. Please visit Angola. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Before